Sit.
Sit down.
Sit, please.
Sit in the chair.
Sit.
Sit on your butt. Yeah, it is scary from up there, huh?
Sit. Here, come on. Here, sit down. Sit. Sit. That's right. There you go. Sit.
Hey, Quinn. Quinn. What does the dog say? What does the puppy say? Tell Mommy what a dog says. What does the kitty say? What does the kitty cat say? What does a monkey say? What does a chicken say? Bak, 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 bak. Well, you got the chicken waddle down. Whoa. What does a frog say? Ribbit. Can you say ribbit? Don't draw on yourself, baby. No, 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 no. Draw on the paper. That's way more fun to draw on me. Are you gonna make a mess? She's yes. Say yes.
What does the owl say?
That's right. Are you gonna make a mess?
What does the lion say?
Does the lion say rah? Quinn. Another one. Do this. That's awesome. Uh-oh. What are we? Uh-oh.
Can you say goodbye?
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye. Can you
Say hi. Say, I only do that when I'm busting a room and I say, hey,
When you say hi? Hi.
bye, daddy guy. Psst. Psst. What are you doing? Can you say no? Say yes. That's right. Can you say yes? Say it. No, 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 no. Stay sitting down.
Sit.
Sit down. No, no, no. Yes. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. Can you say, I love you? Say, I love you. That's not it. Can you say, I love you? Say, I could, but I'm not gonna. What does a horse say? That's right.
Is that an angry horse?
That right there is one that has gone a little wild. Quinn. Give Daddy a kiss.
Go ahead, Geezy.
Give Daddy a kiss. Will you give Daddy a kiss?
Can I have a kiss?
No, the rubber band
You
has
gonna snap
it.
me with a rubber band?
Give Daddy kisses. Give your Daddy kisses.
You gonna give me hugs?
Oh, that's hugs. Love, love.
You just want up, don't you?
Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Paper.
Say dada. Can you say dada?
Say bye-bye.
Say, I am done here. We're out.